J&M's V4 track system is a strong, low-maintenance track design that features an optimized geometry to utilize a larger footprint for minimal compaction. The efficient, high-strength design of the V4 offers the largest ground footprint per track weight in the industry. Lower profile end wheels result in less bearing stress during turns and increased bearing life. The smaller diameter end wheels allow for evenly spaced bogie wheels to give the track system a uniform ground footprint, reducing spots of increased or decreased ground pressure as seen on most other track systems. V4 tracks are virtually maintenance-free during day-to-day operations. The oil bath hubs use a synthetic oil to provide superior bearing protection and excellent lubricant flow, even in the coldest weather. Each oil bath hub has a cassette-style seal, a separate seal guard, and an external V-ring seal for maximum sealing under the harshest conditions. The set it and forget it spring tensioner eliminates the need for adjustments after the initial setup. The powerful tensioner creates enough tension for a uniform footprint and reduced rolling resistance. Composite greaseless sleeve bearings only need greased once before harvest. This greasing can last the entire season and maximizes the life and performance of the track. The sleek design of the V4 leaves very few places for mud and debris to settle, keeping buildup and cleaning to a minimum. An upper tensioning roller keeps the tension on the belt, limiting unsightly belt flop. The strong tubular axle is constructed with high-strength tubing for maximum shear and bending strength. The stout axle can withstand the heaviest loads under the most extreme conditions. V4 tracks feature one of the lowest axle mounting heights in the industry, reducing the overall height and center of gravity of the grain cart. The bogie wheel pivots on the V4 track system are closer to the ground than competitor models. This allows the bogies to easily and smoothly walk over obstacles. Decrease compaction while increasing yields with J&M's V4 track system. To learn more about how J&M's V4 track system can help your farming operation, visit your local dealer or jm-inc.com.